Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the best way to buy a Broadway tickets. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna open up this website right here, and after that, you're gonna check for the tickets that you want. Let's say, for example, wanted to go for the Good Night and Good Luck. You're gonna press on here, and after that, you're gonna press on Get Your Tickets. And then it's going to ask you for how many tickets that you want. Let's say, for example, 3 tickets. And after that, it's going to show you all the timing that are available and every day. And after that, it's going to show you all the days that are available and the time exactly. So let's say, for example, the 28th at 7 p.m. After that, it's going to ask you for the exact spot that you want. And let's say, for example, I wanted to go for this spot and right here. And after that, you're going to press on Buy Tickets. And after that, it's going to ask you for your first and last name and also the email and your phone number just to get to the payment side. And after that, you're going to press on Continue to Payment. And then it's going to ask you for your credit card information or basically any online payment that you have, and you'll be ready to go. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.